Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make each slide a different background in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. We can see here many slides. Now we go to the first slide, go to the home menu, click the section option and click add section, then write your section name. Now I am write my section name. Then go to the fourth slide, click the section name, again click add section, then write my another section name, then click rename, then select the sixth slide and click section to click add section, then write another section name, then click rename, then go to the view menu, select the slide master, then go back the first slide, then go to the insert menu, select the shape option and select the rectangle, then draw a rectangle to this page, then go to the shape format menu, click send to back option, then we can see here a color. Now we click the slide master, click duplicate slide master, then go to the second slide master, select the shape and change the shape color, go to the shape format menu and change the shape fill color. Then click right button again and select duplicate slide master and again change the shape color, select the shape and change the color. Then go back the slide master menu, click close master view. Now we can see here the first section, select the section and go to the layout menu. We can see here 3 color layout. Now I am select the first layout. Then go to the second section, select this and click the layout and choose second slide layout. Then go to the third section, select the last layout. Now we can see we make each slide different background easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for